Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to our market updates. Again, Mark Kanakaris with Kanakaris and Associates. Let's jump into it. Here we have the S&P 500. So what I want to point out is right over here, we're at a support level. This is the 20-day moving average, and the question becomes, will we hold support over here? If we bounce off the 20-day moving average, we could move up from here again. This will just be some short-term profit taking after, as we see, reaching a new high of almost 6,700. We'll call it 6,700. If we don't make this support, well, we've got some downside ahead of us, and how far we go, well, your guess is as good as mine. I think these 3 days are probably just some profit taking from the short-term traders. The Dow showing the same thing. This is the diamond. We're going to use that for the Dow. Again, sitting right here at our 20-day moving average. Our monthly opening price was 452. So we've got, if we were to break through support here, I would imagine the Dow goes down to 452, and then we should see support there, would be my expectation. But looks like we could see from the past, we do see support show up from time to time. So I'm hoping on the 18-day. It's 10 o'clock as I'm shooting this, so let's give it another hour. If we see the markets pull up, that would be a pretty good sign. Lastly, housing market supply dropping. What does that mean? Housing prices should go up, supply and demand. Again, the markets are down for a third day, and the initial jobs claims came in lower. Why I'm bringing this up is actually fairly important. The market takes bad news as good news because they want to see continuing Fed rate drops. I think from the last Fed meeting, we feel pretty confident the Fed is going to drop rates. However, this came in a little bit lower, but what I actually watch more importantly is the continuing job claims, and that number is actually rising, meaning it's taking longer and it's harder to find a new job, which should help with inflation. So we do have another economic report tomorrow, so look out for a text or maybe just a quick blurb. Other than that, have a great day.